It's me. If you don't know me, my name is Brooke. I'm a licensed esthetician. I'm a spa owner. I am a mom. I'm a sister, a friend. I'm a wife. I'm just, y'all. That's why we are doing this video in the car, because I'm just so busy, and it's like if I don't do it, then it just won't get done, and I don't even know if I'm looking at y'all, what I'm looking at. I didn't just fought with it. Anyways, you are here. You here because you want to know what you need to do now that you have got your business legalized. Your spa business, your beauty business, whatever. Y'all, I gotta watch the cars now. I'll be the main one out here with road rage. All right, so like I said, y'all, I'm doing this video in the car because if I don't, it just won't get done. I'm on my way to get Chunk. If you don't know, Chunk is my son. I'm getting him from daycare, and once I get him home, baby, it's over. It's all about Chunk. Chunk is 3 years old, honey. Chunk is selfish. Chunk don't care about nobody but Chunk. He wants something to eat. He want it now. He want his juice. He want it now. So anyways, and it's raining, y'all. So I really do hope that y'all can hear me. But yeah. So what you need to do, and my nails popped off. I got some content today. Y'all saw the thumbnail, and my nails popped off. Get the message. Don't let that distract you from the message, okay? So once you finally get your business legalized, you got your LLC, you have your business license, you got all that. You legal, you legit, you in there. The next thing that you need to do is you need to go and get a business bank account. So it's really not recommended that you mix your personal finances with your business finances. So you definitely need to go to a brick and mortar bank or even an online bank. Just get a bank account that is specifically for business and it has your business name on it. Somebody just commented. Oh, she said she loved my accent. I got an accent, y'all? That's crazy. I ain't even know. But yeah, so you want to make sure you have a bank account that has your business name on it. That's good for bookkeeping, accounting, all that good stuff. But it's most importantly good for just in case you do end up getting sued or something legal happens with the IRS, you get audited or whatever. If they see that you are mixing your personal finances with your business finances, that LLC is no longer going to protect you. They can get you for everything you got. And that's not what you want. That you don't want to be taken for everything you got, just a little bit. Just don't take everything. So they won't take everything if you are placing your business revenue in that business account and you're not letting any personal transactions go through that business bank account. Now, I'm not gonna lie and make it like I didn't, have my personal and my business finagling, they was getting together and doing things. I'm not gonna lie, but I am getting definitely getting better with that. I am definitely making sure. Now, I've always had my business bank account ever since I started the business. I did go and do that, but you be at the bank and you just want to, not the bank, at the store. You be at the store and you want to pay for something real quick, and y'all know the video gonna shake because I'm in the car. But you want to pay for something real quick and you don't feel like transferring it over. If you're a little lazy like I am, and you don't feel like let me just swipe this card. I ain't got to. Don't do that, y'all. Don't do that. Just transfer it over. Don't be lazy. And don't do that a lot. So you don't want to be doing the transfers from the business account to the personal account a whole lot. You want to have a certain day where you transfer a certain amount from your business account to your personal account so that you can pay yourself. That's called an owner's draw. And if y'all want me to do a video about how you pay yourself with the LLC, comment down below. Let me know. Y'all, it's raining. It is, this video gonna be so short. I told y'all I was gonna start doing them short so that way you all I can get it out there, you know what I'm saying? So the video gonna be short, but that's just the next thing that you need to do. Also, you're gonna need a operating agreement. Not every bank requires it, but most of them do. You will need an operating agreement. I don't know what that is. I need to find out what it is, but I don't know. But what I know is I needed it. So what I did was I just went on Google and I found me a little template. And I just put my name and my business name everywhere where it needed to go. But of course, I had all the other stuff that I needed too. But when they told me that, I was you're gonna need your LLC, which is your articles of incorporation. They're gonna ask you for, I don't think they ask you for a business license. I'm not sure, but I don't think, but just in case they do, just have that. They're gonna ask you for your EIN letter. So when you go on the IRS.gov website, make sure you print that off. When they give you, they're gonna give you the number right then and there most of the time. And if they do, just go ahead on and print that off so you can have it. They're gonna ask for all that, and they're also gonna ask for an operating agreement. If you don't already have one, you don't know what it is, Google a template. Change the stuff to your information. Usually the templates have on there where you need to include your information. Upload that shit to Word, change what you need to change, and give it to them so you can get your account, honey. That's how you don't think too hard. See, I'm a hard thinker too. Don't think super hard. Just do that, and you'll be in there. You'll be good to go. All right, y'all. So like I said, I am driving. It is raining. I hope that the rain is not interrupting what I'm saying too much. But if you did enjoy this video, comment down below. Let me know if it helped you in any way. Comment down below. Let me know. Put some questions down there. That'll give me good video ideas. I thank you so much for watching. If you are still watching, and yeah, I'm gonna put some other videos up here on the screen or over here or somewhere. If you are needing help with your business, go through and binge watch all my videos, or just let them play. Just put them on your phone and let them play. You know what I'm saying? Click some of the links down in my description. You ain't got to buy nothing. Just click them. You know what I'm saying? Get your girl some clicks. And thank y'all so much for watching. The love is definitely over appreciated, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye. If you are still here and you have not subscribed, what are you doing? Just go ahead and subscribe, sweetheart. You know you want to do it. Hit the subscribe button, the like button, and share it with a friend. Thank you.